Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to hide the like count on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap the three horizontal lines menu. On Android, it's located at the top right, and on iPhone, it's at the bottom right. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, select Settings. A new settings screen will appear. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Reaction Preferences. Here, you'll see two options, one for posts from others and one for your posts. To hide the like count on your posts, enable the toggle switch next to on your posts. If you want to hide the like count on posts you see in your feed, enable the toggle next to on posts from others. Once you enable these options, your changes will be saved automatically and the like counts will be hidden for everyone except you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.